with MBA support specialists. I have a few tips and tricks I wanted to share with our new Outlook. If you've clicked this new Outlook um, and gone to the new look, um, the first one is how you can sort. You can sort by from, and if you do, it lists the name of the person it's from, and then all the emails underneath it. And then, of course, you can do subject, or you can do received. And this is the one I like because it shows what I've got today, this week, in 2023, 2022, and all the way down. Now, the other thing I like about the new email is you can pin an email instead of flag. When you flag an email, it stays red, but it floats within the emails. But if you pin an email, it stays to the top. So if I was to pin this one, it would move it to the top, and it would never move within the emails until I unpin it. So I really like that one. I use that for clients that I'm working on a project for, and I've not finished it. So it reminds me that I still have something to do. Another one I like, excuse me. And pen, you cannot use the pen unless you are viewing by received. So if I went over here and clicked from, you can see that I can no longer use the pen. So you do have to be viewing by received in order to use that pen. Another one I like about the new Outlook is it's called Sweep, and it's something like rules only. Rules only apply to incoming emails, where Sweep does incoming and emails that you've already received. So, excuse me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Sweep, and then you have your options, and you can see that. Let's go back. Let's click on Mail. We'll pick on Mail, and then I'm going to go back because I just want to highlight Mail, and then I'm going to click on Sweep. So you can see here anything I do with my Sweep is only affecting Mail's email. Anything coming from Mail, from that email address. So I can move them all messages to a folder. I can move all messages from the folder and any future messages, or I can keep the latest message and move all the rest into a folder, or I can move move messages older than 10 days into the folder. And then down here is where you can either make all these rules up here for the deleted folder, or you can create another, or you can use one of the folders you already have, or you can create a new one as you're creating this Sweep rule. So that's what I like about Sweep, is the fact that it not only takes the incoming, but if I had a bunch of emails here and I wanted to organize them, Sweep is a really easy way to do that with. Another tip on our new Outlook is if I wanted to see what I was doing, my meetings I had for today, I would have to go up here and click the calendar. But now I can just click this little icon up here that's called My Day, and it automatically brings your calendar to the side of your emails, and you can I can click on tomorrow and see what my calendar looks like. And then just to make that go away, you just X out. Another thing I like about the new Outlook is Quick Steps, which I know a lot of you have used Quick Steps before. But this time we're going to create a quick step to where when you, instead of replying to an email, you're actually going to create a meeting that will also be sent to the client. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to click New. They're going to give it a name. And then down here with your actions, you see there's several you can choose from, but we're going to choose Reply with Meeting. And then down here you can create a shortcut if you want. But like I said, I've already got mine created, so we're just going to discard that. And we're going to go out there. So then I'm going to pick on Mail again. And instead of hitting Reply, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit my Team Meeting. And when that pops up, you can see I can create my time I want to meet with him. and then I can send it. And that would also have my email, so I can send the reply to his email and also the calendar link or the meeting link. So instead of having to go to your calendar and create the meeting and send the link there, and then coming back and responding to the email, it could all be done in that one here as a quick step. Um, Another one I like is if you're creating a new email and you have to send an attachment. You'd have to go up here, you have to hit the attach file, go find it, and then attach it. Instead, you can now put a forward, let me click up here, you can put a forward slash, and you can either start typing um, the name of the folder or the document that you're looking for. I'm just going to type in grades, and then I'm going to say I want this one. So I'm just going to click on that, and it automatically attaches the file instead of having to come up here and click that and go find it. I think it's a huge time saver. And that's my tips and tricks for Outlook. Thanks.